run this or demonstrate how we would run this analysis on a full data set. So let's go ahead and launch our batch processor. If we launch it from the image processor, it will automatically be opened up with a recipe here on the left. I can go ahead and add my entire data set by selecting all of the images in the folder. I want to specify how many channel data I'm working with. In this case, that's 4 channels. I do want to output the feature measurements. And let's go ahead and set a save location. We'll do our batch folder. And let's give it a session name. Let's go ahead and call this complete. So the session name is important. It just allows you to go back and review a session in case, for whatever reason, you need to pull up the data again in the future. Once this is set up, I just click process and MIPAR goes on and it does what it does best, and it does our detection and measurement for us.